Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be comparing the camera of the Zenfone 3 to that of the updated Zenfone 5. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now I did this series with the Zenfone 3 versus the Zenfone 4 when it came out last year, and my verdict was that, well, just watch that video. Anyways, the updated phone, updated specs. But first, let's take a quick tour of the hardware. The Zenfone 5 has a 8-megapixel f2.0 camera up front that shoots up to 1080p video. Going around back, we can find two cameras. The first is the standard 24mm f1.8 camera, while the second is a wide-angle 12mm camera. Going on to the Zenfone 3, and it has a single 16-megapixel f2.0 camera round back, which is capable of shooting up to 4K video. Up front is the 8-megapixel f2.0 camera. Now, while the Zenfone 3 does run Zen UI 4, the camera interface here is still the same from Zen UI 3, so no difference from when I bought or got the phone rather. The Zenfone 5 on the other hand has the much updated camera interface from Zen UI 5, which is more cleaner and somewhat faster than the Zenfone 3. Now, rather than bore you too much with all of these specs, I've taken photos and videos with both these devices. Now check them out and I'll be giving you my opinions after you check them out. Hello, Ida. Yeah, come walk. Hi, boss. How are you? Good? Alright, so we're walking now to the station. Why are you quiet, fam?
I mean,
so
just random recording,
No, it's not random. It's actually going up on the channel.
Wait, what?
Yeah, so trying to see the dynamic range of the cameras. Right, so
I mean, we all know this one's better, though.
You fucked up your chance, fam.
This
So
one is
you
better,
lost
though.
the opportunity. So currently heading home. It's like Raya tomorrow and next tomorrow. Raya is like the Eid, for all Muslims out there. And there's actually like a, entering into the mall now. There's actually like a classic car shop here, which is really, really cool. I remember when I first came here that time, it was really, really cool. But yes, just got outside now, heading home. Oh, that is so nice. I should take a photo of that. That is like super nice. But no, not a photo of you, dumbass. I mean like a photo of the
I
cloud.
want to get out of the way.
Yeah, but like, what do you think about the audio actually? Because audio is also pretty important. Front camera day test. I don't want to walk that far because I know I'm going to walk back just to take that photo, right? It's okay, man. So yeah, what do you guys think of the front camera video test? I'm going to be switching the audio between both of them. So let me know in the comment section down there below. Also, I noticed that I think they have a similar crop factor, but yeah, down there below. And hello guys, so this is a night. I mean, I think it's not that hard to figure out when I'm recording this. So low light, walking into complete darkness now to see how both the Zenfone 5 and the Zenfone 3 performs in like complete total darkness. And yeah, I mean, the Zenfone 5 is looking much more brighter here than the Zenfone 3. But yes, I'm just literally walking home every day from work. I usually walk about 1.4 kilometers or so. That is something you know now. And yeah, so I'm just chilling, holiday tomorrow. Lots of work to do. Raya as well. How are you spending your holidays? Yeah, I'm just trying to talk now. But yes, let me know about the low light performance as well as the recording quality at night. And this is the night camera test of the back camera on the Zenfone 5 and Zenfone 3, and I'm just literally walking here so you guys can actually see stabilization, you can see brightness, you can see low light performance, noise performance, flaring because of like the headlamps there. So let me know if you think there's much of an improvement there. Ooh, I see that improvement there. But yeah, so as you guys can see, this is the sample pack camera quality you'll be getting on both the Zenfone 3 and the Zenfone 5. So if it's worth the upgrade by now, I think you should have probably made up your mind after all the photos and videos that you've seen. But yes, this is the final video that I'm going to be making with these two devices. And welcome back. That has been the camera comparison between the Zenfone 3 and the Zenfone 5 here. Now, before I give you my final verdict, pause this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down there below. Do you think this is better than this or this is better than this? Let me know in the comment section down there below. As regards to what I feel, I would say yes, the Zenfone 5 is definitely better. In low light, undisputably, no contest there at all. In bright conditions, actually the Zenfone 3, it does manage to keep up a little bit, but the HDR, for example, on the Zenfone 5 is much more quicker, and it actually adapts faster than on the Zenfone 3 here, which is a little bit slow. Interface here on the Zenfone 5 is also faster than on the Zenfone 3. And when it comes to overall image quality, I would still give the edge to the Zenfone 5 here. But something I did notice that the Zenfone 3 can do properly is that it can actually properly get the white balance, I would say, because not every time does the Zenfone 5 here get accurate white balance as my eyes see it. Anyways, when it comes to video as well, I would say is the same here. The video quality here on the Zenfone 5 I think is 50-60% better, and as opposed to, let's say, even I think the Zenfone 4 was slightly better than the Zenfone 3 as well, especially in low light. Anyways, enough of me talking. Thank you so much. Let me know again which one you feel is better here, the Zenfone 3 or the Zenfone 5. For me, my bet is on the Zenfone 5. And if you have a Zenfone 3, would you consider upgrading to the Zenfone 5, especially after seeing this video? Let me know in the comment section down below as well. Anyways, that's basically been it. Too fast, okay. Anyways, that's basically been it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am heading to work right now. It's a Monday morning, and I shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing person next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.